Hey there, coding professionals. Are you ready to revolutionize your formulations with cutting-edge, sustainable techniques? As we all know, bio-based and water-based formulations are the future of the chemical industry, and coatings are no exception. These innovations are paving the way for a more sustainable, low-impact future, making them the heart of tomorrow's coatings industry. These eco-friendly solutions are transforming how we think about sustainability and performance. So what exactly are bio-based coatings? They're derived from renewable biological sources like vegetable oils, lignin, and cellulose. By lowering our dependency on fossil fuels and reducing carbon footprints, these coatings are making a big impact on our environment. And then we have water-based coatings. These use water as the primary solvent, which means significantly lower VOC emissions compared to traditional solvent-based systems, cleaner air, healthier planet. But here's the catch. Integrating bio-based materials into water-based systems isn't always straightforward. As advanced formulators, you'll face challenges in material compatibility, stability, and performance. That's where our expert-led training comes in. In this expert-led online training, you'll master advanced formulation techniques like emulsion polymerization of bio-based monomers and the incorporation of green chemistry principles. You'll learn how to enhance properties like adhesion, durability, and gloss, all while keeping sustainability front and center. Let's talk about why you shouldn't miss this training. Firstly, you'll deepen your technical expertise, gain specialized knowledge about bio-based resins and water-dispersible polymers, empowering you to create high-performance coatings with unique properties. Next, you'll enhance your problem-solving skills. Yes, discover strategies to tackle challenges like viscosity control, drying times, and surface defects. Along with that, explore innovative solutions like nanoparticle incorporation and emulsion polymerization for complex problem solving. You'll also improve your product performance. Coatings formulators will also learn how to optimize coatings for better adhesion, durability, and gloss without compromising on environmental considerations. And of course, gain a competitive advantage by develop coatings that meet market demands for high-performance, eco-friendly products. This will be your chance to position yourself and your company as leaders in innovation by mastering the integration of bio-based materials in water-based systems. So, who should attend this training? Well, it's perfect for R&D chemists, formulators, chemical engineers, product developers, scientists, technicians, and lab managers. If you're in the coatings, polymers, or related industries, this training is for you. Here's what you'll learn. Fundamentals of bio-based and water-based coatings, formulation strategies, overcoming formulation challenges, integrating technologies, advanced techniques, and emerging trends. Plus, you'll get ready-to-use formulations and a Quanda session to address all your queries. Ready to take your coatings to the next level? Register now and join the green coatings revolution. To register, click on the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com now.